Let's do some unit 5. Okay. So, write a line that represents the equation y equals that's 4 down, 3 across. So negative 4/3. Negative 4/3 x plus 2. Intercept is 2. So when x equals 0, y equals 2. What's the slope of this line? Okay, well we have 3y is equal to negative x plus 10 by everything by 3, negative 1/3 x, which is d. What is this written in standard form? So we can multiply this across, we get y. I'll just multiply everything by 10 is equal to negative 3x minus 80. Put 80 on this side, we get 80 and then subtract 10y is equal to negative 10y minus 3x. And then, because this is negative, we'll put that as negative 10 is equal to multiply that everything by negative 1. That's negative. We get this is equal to 10y plus 3x. 10y plus 3x. 10y. There we go. Complete the equation to these numbers. Okay, so we have our run is 3, our rise, it's actually a decline, our rise is negative 10. So we get negative 10 over 3. Rise over run. And so we get negative 10 over 3. 10 divided by 3. Negative x plus if we multiply this by, say, 6, cancels out negative 20, so negative 23. So plus minus 23. That should be right. And double check it with the calculator. We have negative 10 by 3 x minus 23. Go to table. Let's see, we have, what are our numbers? 9, 7, 6, 3. That's right. Complete the point slope equation. Okay, our run is 6. Our rise is 2. That's 2 over 6, 1/3, so 1/3 x over 3 x plus the constant. What's the constant? If we subtract 6 from both sides, subtract that 6, we get 1/3 x plus something plus 6 equal to 1. Let's put y as 6 right here. So 6 minus 6, so that's 0. So 0 plus 1/3 x, which is 1. 1 plus something, call that x. X prime to 0. So this seems like it would be negative 1. X minus 1. Okay, well, let's double check it with the other formula. If we have negative 5, so that's negative 6 over 3, which gets us equals negative 2, is equal to 4 minus 6. So we get negative 2 equals negative 2, which is correct. Andrea, wants a glass filled with multiple marbles. Cool. Then fill the remaining space with water. This is the water displacement. What's the volume of each marble? Space with water. That makes sense. I don't really understand where the math is. It's just the slope. Charity organization had to sell a few tickets to their fundraising just to cover necessary production costs. After selling 10 tickets, there's still a net loss of $800. They sold each ticket for $70. Y is profit and X is tickets. So we have negative 800 is equal to 70 times 10 plus a constant. That's 700. Subtract that, that's negative 1500 equals C. So we have 70x minus 1500. Let's do a little math. We have 10 tickets, so that's 700. 700 minus 1500 is net loss of 800. And that's this. Graph this equation, so we have x equals 1, and then we're going to move this line up 4, so 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's graph a few points. We have 0, so that x equals 0. X equals 0 right there. We get y equals 4, which is right. X equals 1, y equals 5. Find the equation of the line. We get negative, yeah, get right on this one. The slope goes over 2, down 3, so negative 3 over 2. Negative 3 divided by 2. And plus 3. Let's see if this is right. So flip a few numbers since we have 0, x equals 0, y equals 3. Good job. X equals y equals 0. We get negative 3 is equal to negative 3 over 2x. Divide each side by negative 3 over 2. So that's negative 3 over 2. Negatives cancel. We get 6 over 3, which is equal to 2. Graph this function. Okay, well, I'm going to put it y, because I think of y. So we get 3y is equal to negative x plus 6. We get y is equal to negative x over 3 plus 2. So y is equal to negative 1/3 x plus 2. 1/3 x plus 2. We're going to have 1, 2, and a negative 1/3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the last question, so we're going to think on it a bit more. We have a few seconds remaining. So we can cancel off this. We have let's put x equals 0. X equals 0. We get 3y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 2, which seems to be our y-intercept. If we put y is equal to 0, we get x equals 6, so that seems to be right. So we have 2 points that seem to be right. Let's do one more. Let's have 3. So x equals 3. X equals 3 right here. It would be 3 plus 1 times 3 is 6, which is right. We need like 6 points. 6. Yay, I guessed it. If we go back to all of Khan Academy, it's a decent bit now. 9 remaining till we're 2/3.